So I'm sure you've all seen it. Andrew Byron, the head of AI startup Astronomer, has been caught cheating on his wife with the company's HR chief, Christian Cabot, during a Coldplay gig this week when Kiss Cam video screen showed them cuddling up. They ducked away from being seen, and Chris Martin said, well, either they've been having an affair or they're just very shy. And the whole world, you think it couldn't come together? It has. It's come together, laughing at a billionaire losing half his money. Laughing whilst making the very obvious point. How could they? It's disgusting. Watching a Coldplay concert. Ha 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 ha. These two things just make me cry for humanity. Number one, this is what life becomes, laughing at people. You don't know their situation. They didn't ask for worldwide humiliation. We never think about the individuals, do we? Just the likes. Basically anything to stop us thinking about the real horror in the world. Can you imagine a billionaire losing half his money and getting a divorce? Everything's okay for a second. But then we say one of the best-selling bands of them all are in fact shit. You hear it all the time. Oh yeah, can't believe they did it listening to Coldplay because they're shit. Can you imagine Coldplay building up for like playing to 20 people in a pub, putting in 10 years of hard work, becoming one of the best-selling bands of all time? What's their reward? They're shit. How can they be the best and also be shit? I tell you who's shit, the people who share these videos. It's just a little thing, isn't it, sharing a video? But every teardrop is a waterfall. Every sharing of shit is a sewage. The sewage that is now engulfing the earth and is the only thing worse than Coldplay. I'm right, aren't I? Because they're shite as well.